How do you say LGBTQIAP+ in Cantonese? Because there are so many terms here and I don't want to confuse everyone, I'm going to focusing on L and G this time and cover the rest later. So for L, which means lesbian, in Cantonese we say 女同性戀, 女同性戀, 女 which means female, 同性 means same sex, and 戀 means love. And when you combine them together, it means lesbian. And for gay, you replace 女 with 男, which means male. So you have 男同性戀, which means gay. However, in a more verbal term, you can also say 女同志 or 男同志. This is much more an older term, so even though not many people say that now, but we get it if you still say it. However, do not use it in mainland China because it means something else. And another way to say gay, you can say gay佬, gay佬. Gay literally translated the pronunciation from English into Cantonese, so that's why the gay sounds the same thing. And 佬, which usually means an older man, but when you combine them, it just means gay. But you can also say that gay uncle. So once again, if you want to say lesbian, you say 女同性戀 or 女同志. And for gay, you can say 男同性戀, 男同志 or gay 佬. Hope this help.